All right, so we are back for part two of the demonstration. So as mentioned, I am going to now connect to that same device, that cloud device, in a secure encrypted mode. Now, for this demonstration, I am going to use a different account. It will be the root account, just to show you how important it is. Oops. First, we have to put the host name, which is KMT Cloud. Now, I mentioned in an earlier video that I don't recommend logging into your devices with the root account, because if something happens to that account, you won't be able to access your device. But for this demonstration, I want to log in as root because I want to show you the encrypted traffic and how the account root will in fact be protected. So recently I logged in as store admin. It was just an administrative account for the device, but let's try something different here. Let's see here. So we click on login. Let's see what we get. So as you can see, it went directly right into the device at the root level. Now it will give us the option to see all of the directories on that device, and as you can see, it is a Linux environment. It's using SE Linux for this device, but that's not really what I want to show you. So what I want to do is log in as putty, because I want to show you that warning message that you will receive to let you know that it is in fact using an encrypted environment. So I'm going to log out of this, and I'll be back with putty in a few minutes.